Nissan introduced its all-new compact SUV, the Magnite, in the Indian market earlier this month. Offered with a starting price tag of Rs 4.99 lakh ex-showroom Delhi, the Nissan Magnite has instantly become a big hit in the market. Now, Nissan has announced that the Magnite also comes with the lowest maintenance costs compared to its rivals in the segment. The Nissan Magnite maintenance costs are said to be just 29 paise per kilometre for 50,000 kilometres. The Nissan Magnite also comes with a standard 2-year or 50,000 kilometre warranty, which can further be extended to 5 years or 1 lakh kilometres. Nissan is also said to be offering its customers with multiple labour-free services across its entire network all across the country. Nissan will also be offering a prepaid maintenance plan for the compact SUV called the Nissan Magnite Care, providing an additional 22% savings. This maintenance plan is further offered with 2 optional packages, Gold and Silver. The Gold package offers a more comprehensive periodic service, while the Silver package covers a more basic maintenance service. The maintenance packages are on the SUV, hence they are transferable in case of a change in vehicle ownership. Apart from the maintenance costs, Nissan has also announced that the Magnite has received over 15,000 bookings and 1.50 lakh inquiries since its launch 15 days back. Prior to the launch of the compact SUV, Nissan had expanded its sales and service network by adding 50 new touchpoints across India. This included 30 service and 20 sales dealerships across the country. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.